At 9:12 a.m., Mark is staring at an email he really doesn't want to send. Subject line: possible delay on today's upload. A sponsor is expecting her video to go live today. Not tomorrow, not later tonight, but today. The camera is ready, the lights are on, but the script still hasn't started. He's recorded the intro 5 times already. Every version sounds worse than the one before. And every minute he waits, the window to publish keeps shrinking. For viewers, making a YouTube video looks like filming and editing. But for creators, the hardest part often happens before the camera ever turns on. And today, one small decision Mark almost ignored ends up saving the entire upload. But before we start, welcome to Everyday AI. Here we focus on how everyday people use AI to make work easier, life simpler, and problems less stressful. No hype, no buzzwords, just practical AI tools explained in a way anyone can understand and use. Mark is 29. He runs a growing YouTube channel and manages 2 social media accounts alongside it. Not a huge creator yet, but big enough that consistency matters. When he uploads regularly, the channel grows. When he misses a week, everything slows down. Today's video was supposed to be simple, a walkthrough of tools that help creators work faster. Instead, the day has already turned into something else. 2 hours have passed, and he still hasn't written the first real line of the script. If he doesn't solve that soon, filming gets delayed. And if filming gets delayed, editing moves later. And if editing moves later, the upload window disappears. But by the end of this afternoon, Mark will not only finish the video, he'll publish it before the deadline. And the moment that changes everything happens in a place he almost closed earlier this morning. A tab labeled Simplified AI. By 10 a.m., Mark's screen shows a document with exactly one thing in it: a blinking cursor, and nothing else. This part of content creation rarely gets talked about. Creators discuss cameras, editing, thumbnails, but the blank page might be the most exhausting step of all. Because the first 20 seconds of a video decide everything. If the opening feels slow, viewers leave. And if viewers leave early, the algorithm quietly stops recommending the video. Mark checks the time again. 10:07. He types one sentence, then deletes it. Another one. Deletes that too. He leans back in his chair. Okay, this isn't working. Then he remembers the tab still open in his browser. Simplified AI. He clicks it and the dashboard loads. Content tools he explored once but never really used. Normally he'd ignore it and keep struggling through the script. But today the clock is moving. So he logs in and opens AI Writer. A prompt box appears. He types, "Write a YouTube intro hook for a video about productivity tools for content creators. Goal: strong curiosity in the first 10 seconds. Tone: realistic creator frustration." Then he clicks Generate. 4 results appear. One reads, "I used to spend whole weekends on content until 3 tools cut my workload in half. Want to know which ones?" Mark leans closer. That's close. But it needs more urgency. He edits the prompt. "Rewrite this intro using a real-life situation where a creator might miss their upload deadline." Generate again. The new result appears. "It's 11:40 p.m., deadline in 20 minutes. My export froze and captions aren't done. These 3 tools got me back on schedule. Want to know which ones?" Mark laughs quietly. That's literally my situation. He copies the line into his script. Then he asks for something else. "Create a simple outline for the rest of the video so the story flows naturally." Generate. The screen fills with a clean structure. Mark stares at it for a moment. 2 hours of frustration just turned into a working script structure in under 5 minutes. More importantly, the blank page is gone. And once the story begins moving, the rest of the video finally starts taking shape. But writing the script only solves the first problem. another one is waiting. By noon, Mark has something he didn't have all morning: a finished script. Now comes the next challenge every creator knows: the thumbnail. YouTube videos don't get clicked because they exist. They get clicked because something about the thumbnail makes people curious. And designing one usually means opening several different tools. A design program, stock images, font templates. 30 minutes disappears quickly, sometimes more. Mark then uses the AI Design Templates tool of Simplified AI. The screen opens a gallery of templates: YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, social graphics. He selects YouTube thumbnail and selects one existing template. He edits with using AI and types, "Create a YouTube thumbnail ideas for a video about AI tools helping content creators save time." And the design appears. Creators are missing this. Short, direct. He previews the thumbnail at mobile size. Perfect. Total time spent, about 5 minutes. Before today, thumbnails often took half an hour. Not because they were difficult, because the workflow was scattered across multiple apps. But the final pressure of the day hasn't arrived yet. Filming is done, editing is nearly finished, the sponsor email is still sitting in his inbox. Upload expected today. He opens the final export. Everything looks good, but another small task still stands between him and the upload button: the description, the captions, and the hashtags. Creators often underestimate how long this part takes. Writing platform descriptions manually can easily consume another 30 minutes, sometimes longer if the wording feels off. Mark opens Simplified again, back to AI Writer. He types, "Write a YouTube description for a video about Simplified AI helping content creators save time with scripting, design, and captions. Friendly tone. Optimized for creators and productivity keywords." Within seconds, the description appears. Clear summary, natural keywords, even suggested timestamps. He copies it, then types another prompt. "Create an Instagram caption promoting this video. Focus on creator burnout and saving time." The caption appears. Most creators don't run out of ideas. They run out of time. Exactly the angle he wanted. Captions that once took half an hour are finished in about 3 minutes. Everything is now ready. Which brings us back to the moment that started this day. At 5:02 p.m., Mark presses publish. The same video that felt impossible to start this morning is now live. Script written. Thumbnail finished. Captions posted. And the day didn't end in the way he expected. This morning, he was ready to send an email delaying the upload. Instead, the video went live on time. Simplified didn't magically create the video for him. He still wrote, he still filmed, he still edited. But it quietly removed the small obstacles that usually slow creators down. The blank page, the scattered design tools. Before today, those steps were spread across several different apps. Today, most of them happened in one place. Later that evening, Mark checks the video again. The first comments are starting to appear. Nothing dramatic, just viewers watching, saving the video, asking questions, which, for a growing creator, is exactly what matters. Mark closes his laptop earlier than usual, because when the small frictions disappear, creating starts to feel like creating again. If you're a content creator watching this, I'm curious, which part of the process slows you down the most? Let me know in the comments. And check out Simplified AI today and share your experience. The link is available in the description. And if you want to see more real workflows like this, quiet tools, real situations, no hype, you know where to find the next video. See you in the next video.